Unlock global content by mastering YouTube's subtitle language switcher. Ever stumbled upon an amazing YouTube video but wished you could understand it in your own language? It's simpler than you think to change subtitle languages and truly enhance your viewing experience. First, when you're watching any YouTube video, look for the gear icon. It's usually found in the bottom right corner of the video player, right above the playback bar. Click on that gear icon. This will open up a menu with various video playback options. From that menu, you'll see an option that says Subtitles. Hover your mouse over it or tap on it. Now, a list of available subtitle languages will appear. These are the languages that have been provided for that specific video. Simply click on the language you want to use. And just like that, the subtitles on your video will change to your chosen language. It's that easy. This feature is fantastic for learning new languages, understanding foreign films, or simply enjoying content without missing a single word. You can switch between languages as often as you like, depending on the video's availability. So go ahead, explore the world of content on YouTube and make sure you're getting the most out of every video by switching up those subtitle languages. Happy watching.